What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So we're gonna go over to McDonald's real quick and get our some coffee, because I definitely need some coffee. We're gonna try to work on a couple things here today. I'm just putting on my shoes right now, but anyways, we're gonna go and see if we can put a couple things on the car today. We got a couple goodies that we ended up picking up from Amazon, but you guys still haven't seen the car. So 2022 hybrid Honda Accord Sport. This is the car here. Right now it's a little dirty. It needs definitely a car wash, but it's supposed to rain today around 1 p.m. So there's really no point in getting a car washed. All right, so we just got back from McDonald's. Let me show you guys some of the goodies that we have over here. They're pedal covers. Then we also got ourselves some, basically like coasters, but everything around, everything in the whole car, just to cover up. So, you know, just in case if something gets scratched or something like that, you know. Then we have, let's see, what is this one? These were actually pretty cool. I'll put a picture of what these are. But this is one of the main things I want to install today. So they're covers for, I'll show you, covers for these right here. The carbon fiber covers. And I think it's just a laminate that's on them. But let's run inside, get the tripod, and we'll get started. All right, so we're going to start off by installing these covers here right now. Let me go grab the package. So here's the package, and here's the covers. Now I think I got 4 of them. Let me see. Yeah, there's 4 of them. So two for the 2 front doors, and then 2 for the rear back doors. And I think they're all the same. Yeah, I'll take one out so you can see what they look like. This is what they look like. Pretty neat. Anyways, let's install this first one. Well, first let's test fit it. Seems like this one's the right one. Just take off the 3M tape. There's 3M tape on the back. All right, so I had to get the razor blade. See if I can get it off, because I couldn't get it off. It's got a little piece already coming off. You can see it right there. Right there. Right there. Right here. See? I can't get it off. That's coming off now. Alright, cool. There we go. On the next one. The nice thing about these is so if water ever gets in contact with there and starts rusting up the bolts, these are going to be covers. Basically, it's going to eliminate, not 100% eliminate it, but preventative maintenance sort of thing, you know. All right, we got this one, so let's go ahead and install it now. Let me get you a close up here, what it looks like. All right, let's do that to the 4 other sides. All right, so we're headed out. Let's go. We gotta go to the UPS store, the post office, and we also gotta go to Kohl's. We are returning, I'll put them up on the screen, but we are returning the camera case. We are returning the camera. We are returning the skid plates that we were installing. And we are also returning the 256 gigabyte micro SD card that we got. So yeah, let's go.